Listen, making sausage from scratch ain't for wimps. So if you're serious, keep watching. If you're a wimp, get out of here. We're gonna make some daggum freedom chicken glizzies. Let's go.
Now, to make the best sausage, you need to have 25% fat and 75% lean meat. Gator meat is very lean, so we're gonna mix it with some pork belly and some pork loin. We start by rinsing out our sausage casings. These are hog casings, and we're just rinsing the salt out. There's nothing weird in there, there's just salt. So we're just gonna rinse them out, and then once they're rinsed, we're gonna add the casings to a bowl of ice to make sure that they're iced down to below 41 degrees. Next, we're just going to mise en place by chopping up our veggies, our peppers, our onions, and if I didn't mention it already, you can also find the recipe in the description of this video or on chefnikki.net. For the pork belly, we're going to make sure that we cut off that little pork rind there, and that you can crisp up for chicharrones later. So we're just going to slice that guy right off, but the rest of the pork belly, we're going to dice up. Next up, we're going to make sure that we cut off all the silver skin on our pork loin. That will prevent the silver skin from wrapping around your blade of your grinder. And those we're going to cut up into about 1-inch chunks as well. Here comes our lean gator meat, and this has a lot of silver skin on it as well. You're going to want to cut that off, otherwise it's going to be a headache. Render down some of the pork belly, and then we're going to cook off our vegetables and add our spices right to those veggies. And then after that, we're going to cool those veggies down on a sheet tray until they're ice cold. We'll mix together our sausage ingredients, and then it all goes through the grinder. When filling your sausage stuffer, make sure you slap out all the air, punch it all down so that you don't have any air bubbles. Air is the enemy when we're making sausage. Now, it's sausage casing time, so we're just gonna get that bad boy on and start filling it up. I like to kind of manipulate the sausage so that it fills the casing up kind of tight, because I like big, fat sausages, not skinny little sausages. Guys, this is hard to narrate. I'm sorry, but you get the idea. But look at these big boys. They're so huge. Imagine them on the grill. Twist your sausages to whatever length works for you, and then they're ready to store. Store under refrigeration for up to 7 days. You can also freeze them, grill them, but check these guys out. Oh my god, they are fresh made. You can grill your sausages, saute them, bake them, steam them, put them in a freaking air fryer. The world is your oyster. I love this sausage. Look at this recipe. It's amazing. So juicy. I hope you guys really give this one a try and make your own sausage.
And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like my show, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell, and as always, leave a comment down below after you watch the video. Gator Glizzy.